Tap into your greatness. It's inside all of us. Each and every one of us. Tap into your greatness and start using that as your fuel to propel you every day. Start using that as your fuel, that when it's discouraging, when you wake up and you're running your business and you are dealing with the current issues of the world like we are right now, remember that there's greatness inside of you. And number 2 is resilience. Resilience is the ability to keep your focus deliberately on your goals. More specifically on your why. Why are you in business? Why did you become an entrepreneur? It's not just about the money, is it? It can't just be about the money. There has to be a bigger why, that you decided or you felt called to be an entrepreneur, a woman entrepreneur at that. To run your own business, to provide a solution in the marketplace, to facilitate transformation. What is your why? Because that will keep you grounded. When you are faced with adversity and you're faced with challenges and you are struggling with something in your life, it is that resilience. It is that ability to keep focus on your goals and your why. So the ladies watching here, whether this is live on the replay, share with me, what is your why? What is your big why for entrepreneurship? Why do you feel that you are called to be a leader? You are called to be an entrepreneur.